Now, making white noise on a computer is really easy. You can download Audacity, audacity.sourceforge.net, and install it on your computer. It'll work on a Mac or Linux on Windows, and then you just go to the Generate menu, select white noise, and you can just create as many seconds worth of it as you want. I was creating 15 minutes there before, now I'm only going to make a minute and a half just to show you. So there's 90 seconds of it, and it arrives really quickly. It sounds not very good to begin with, and what we want to do is create some ambient variant of white noise, which is like green noise, and you amplify around the 500 hertz level, but selecting an acoustic EQ setting is good enough. Then you normalize it, and now we have a really nice white noise. Beautiful.